Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you a fun secret code that unlocks a set of adorable Doodles characters. First, just open your Canva and then create a new design, or just open your old designs. And after that, just go to Elements, this one, and then search for this code. Just type this code and then just enter. And then like this, you will see a cute collections of hand-drawn Doodles characters like this. It's all with a fun little faces and poses like this. It's so cute. These elements are perfect for maybe fun educational designs or YouTube thumbnails or maybe social media posts or even maybe classroom slides. They will instantly add a playful, friendly and cartoonish vibe to any projects. And okay, just try this secret code and then level up your Canva designs. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.